Good morning, Columbia Rockets. I'm glad you joined us this morning. We are still going to be working with fractions. And our first one says find the sum of a whole number and a fraction. So our first problem that we're going to be working with is going to be 1 plus 5/6. Well, we're still going to be working with our area model. So let me draw two area models. Here's one for my 1 whole, and this one is for my 6th. So I'm looking at my denominator here, and it looks like we're cutting them into sixths. And because we're cutting them into sixths, I know that I'm going to be drawing 5 lines. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, my 1 whole is also going to be cut into sixths. Because remember, my denominator is the one that determines how we're cutting our area model. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now let's go ahead and let's shade in our area model. So this one is going to be shaded 1 whole. So let me grab a different color here. Let's do a green. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So now the whole thing is shaded in. And let's do 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Awesome. So let's look at what we have here. We have 1 whole shaded in, and if we look at that whole, we can actually say that we have 6 out of 6 shaded in. So 1 whole can be changed to 6 sixths. And now let's look here at this area model. This is still 5, 6. So let's add this together. 5 sixths. So now we can say that 6 sixths plus 5 sixths is going to equal 11 sixths. Well, now we have an improper fraction here, but we can change that improper fraction by there's so many different ways we can do it. Let's just do it using the area model. So if I just look at my area model here, I know that I have 1 whole and 5 sixths. So I know that 11 sixths is 1 whole and 5 sixths. Again, I could even work backwards and say that 11 sixths is 5 sixths plus 1 sixth, and I know, or 6 sixths, and I know that 6 sixths equals 1 whole. All right, I hope we understand how to find the sum of a whole number and a fraction.